Land stewardship to me is really caring for the land. And it means learning what's on the land now and learning about what was on the land in the past and how the land has been used. And taking all of that into consideration in order to best care for that land.
So to me, it's that sense of ownership and long-term sustainable ecological oversight of a property to make it serve both humans and ecological services and all of our native plants and animals.
There is no such thing as being unqualified, not having enough experience. If you're interested and you're out there, you can do things. It doesn't take a lot of knowledge. The fact that you're willing and you are ready to spend some time out in nature, it'll be so rewarding and you'll learn. And what I really love is that even as experts, we're constantly learning. You know, we know much, much less than we don't know. So you can feel as if, you know, it's not just me who's learning here, everybody's learning, and it's a great experience.
I'm a big fan of the Aldo Leopold idea of a land ethic, something that's in your own backyard. It's everyone's job, and I think the benefit that you get out of taking a stake in the land around you pays itself off. So don't be too burdened by the amount that's out there. Just start with one thing, figure it out, learn it, take the joy from that, and then move to the next.
Master naturalists can practice land stewardship in many ways. Here in the Lakeshore Nature Preserve, they can join drop-in volunteer opportunities where we remove invasive plants, we take care of the trails, prevent erosion, and there's lots of places in Wisconsin that are looking for volunteers to do this work in their nature preserves. And so it's really easy to go find a place that's looking for volunteers to do this kind of work. There's citizen science monitoring, building infrastructure for wildlife, lots of opportunities that could fit with your specific interests. It's wonderful to have volunteers who are really experienced, who have a breadth of knowledge and background, who can sort of leverage our ability to reach out to share the Lakeshore Nature Preserve, share nature, share those wonderful experiences that they've had with others. And part of being a land steward is developing a relationship with that piece of land.
Managing a landscape that's natural to the area is always going to take less energy and certainly be more self-preserving. It becomes self-sustaining and has sort of a natural logic to itself that fits the environment that and climate, and is beautiful in that way. This particular program brings in people to show them once an area is clear, it's healthier and more vibrant in a lot of ways. It's very fulfilling work.